How to fix GCash your authentication failed problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about this short tutorial. Now basically this method can work for both Android and iOS devices, so all you have to do is to go ahead and follow along. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your app downloader. It can be the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. And basically once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and search GCash. And from here, we want to make sure that our GCash application is up to date. Now, right after updating your GCash and still the problem persists, you want to go ahead and click on the uninstall button. And from here, you can just go ahead and reinstall the application back to your device. This will go ahead and get rid of the problems and unnecessary bugs installed within the application. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.